Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Sometimes due to software error or Windows glitch, the start menu is not responding. The start button is not working. When you are clicking here, it's not opening. So how to fix that problem easily? Stick around. I'll show you how.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week.
First, you need to simply right click here. This is a taskbar. Right click on a taskbar and click on Task Manager. You can get this menu like this, or you can press Ctrl Alt Delete all together from your keyboard and then click on Task Manager. On either ways you can get this. After this, we need to find here Windows Explorer. So you have to scroll down from here until you get Windows Explorer. So here we got the Windows Explorer. You need to search and then you need to get it. Now simply you need to right click here and then press on End Task. As soon as you press on the End Task, you will get a black screen, and after that you need to press Ctrl Alt Delete all these three buttons together, and then you can restart your PC, and then hopefully you will get back your Windows Start button functioning properly. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please give it a like, subscribe my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon to upload informative videos every week.